Isipuan bang bibir, palakpakan na to sa iya. And of course, the owner, Dr. Glorious Holga. Palakpakan ito sa Dr. Glorious Holga. This is a mental health program. Now, our fire chief issued a memorandum circular entitled Mental Health Program. By these activities, by through sports, we can gain more health and more sound mind, body, and soul. And of course, we will celebrate, as I've said, celebrate life. No other than ang atong birthday celebrant, walay-lain ang atong provincial fire marshal, fire senior superintendent, nagkabata. So, provincial opinion, no? Derek Ramsey. Then, hopefully, and be prosperity, and even his soul will prosper. Kinahanglan nato suportahan nato provincial marshal because he is the head, and
thank you so much.
He is a good leader. Okay, welcome. I hope that you will enjoy in this activity. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Prepare ni ani. God bless everyone. Thank you so much.
So kay wala man, ngayon lang may representative. Una na ko patawgon for the female, si Ma'am Marian Rivera ng Manay-Manay City Corporation. Message mo.